install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone or guinea kind of make question. We'll begin to install this our ear to ear frontal wig. So this one are my glue from Ebin. Okay, I will begin to apply them for the edges. You can see the way I'm applying it. Okay. Oh, as you don't apply and finish, not leave it like this. Make sure you spread. Okay. So spread it, baby. It has to be transparent. Like the color need to change. It don't need to be white. Begin to install this head back forward. Okay. You lay down. Don't worry, we are still going to add more glue. Let me use this my glue. Blow a little bit. So see, the thing they sticky already. Bring the head down. Okay. You see, go just melt am once. She dey stand tall, pass them all. Cha-cha beauty, she know the rest. Every product now she dey test. For beauty world, she be the crest. Cha-cha beauty, she be the best. My head they make bobo. Let's begin to take off the band. Whew. Begin to apply my wax stick. Hot comb. My holding spray. I will apply a bit of powder. Make sure you use your shade of your powder. See wig installation now. This is on period. So the center part, I will apply powder. Now time to melt the legs, and this is on period. This brush inside, yeah, I will begin to apply on the edges, and you begin to blow dry with a cool heat. Take your melty band and begin to melt. Give it for a few minutes before my head go catch fire. I might begin to remove the band. Comb. Yeah, from Angie's hair, if you are wondering. Ngwanu, check out the final look. This hair is looking gangalized, and this is on period. Check it out, guys. How do you see this wig installation? Fight deo, but it's worth it. Like at the end, if you are able to achieve it nicely, is good. So my hair is from Angie's hair. So this is it. So I hope you grab something on how to install your hair by your own self. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.